Hi, I'm Joey Sharpe, Senior Brand Product Manager for Sea Ray Boats. I'm here at MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida, aboard the all-new SLX 260 Outboard. A couple of key features I want you to be aware of on this boat. It does now come in an outboard. The SLX 250 didn't come in an outboard, it only came in a Sterndrive. But we didn't give up on the Sterndrive. We still have a Sterndrive variant. The difference between the two is an outboard's going to extend your season. Sterndrive is going to give you a little more water access because you're going to have a larger platform and you're going to be able to get an option that has a submersible swim step. Second key feature I want to point out is the lighting bundle. What comes with a lighting bundle? We have RGB-W lighting that can be color matched to the boat if you want to, or you can have any color under the rainbow. That comes with cockpit, exterior, and underwater lighting. You also get the illuminated Sea Ray hull side logo, and you also get docking lights with that lighting bundle. As we make our way into the boat, the other key feature is the optional power tower. So this provides shade for the entire cockpit. It even has a extendable sunshade that goes off the back, which gives you even more shade to cover your sun pad during the day. And then there's an optional bow shade. Once you put that bow shade on, you can tint this whole boat during the hot of the day. Great for these Florida summers and winters, I guess, too. And the other thing I wanted to point out is the ergonomics of our helm and all the components that are here at the helm. So one of the things that's on here that's really cool, in my opinion, is inductive charging. What do we all do when we get on our boat? We all play our music, right? So when you're playing your music, you're always draining your battery. So you just set your phone down and you can see it charges right away. So see, I'm up here and I'm charging. And then with the premier audio system on this boat, this is a Fusion Apollo 770 head unit. We have two 9-inch displays from Simrad with fully integrated digital switching. And we also have fully integrated vessel view link data coming to your dash. So no need for gauges. This is the control station for your boat. 90% of the functions on this boat are all controlled right here. Then we have redundant functions off to the right-hand side. This is your horn, your running lights, your anchor light, your wiper, and in your windlass. Those are things that you're going to want to have quick control of. On top of that, we have the DRS auto glide system right here. So DRS is dynamic running surface. You can also get this boat with manual tabs, but most people get it with the dynamic running surface. So those are a lot of the key features that are on this boat. There are tons more to explore. To learn more, to build your own, or to find your local dealer, or to find a MarineMax dealer, visit us at searay.com.